Welcome to my channel. I am Queen Kitty Makeup, or you can call me Kendra. This is my first video in a long time. I'll be showing you how to get this glowy as fuck spring makeup. If you want to know how I got this, then don't click away. For my primer, I go in with the NYX Hydrating Primer.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
The foundation I use is the Tarte BB Cream. The shade range is not the best, but I like it for a natural, no makeup look. But I do go in with the Makeup Revolution stick to add coverage and to also darken because the BB cream is a bit too light.
My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground?
To set the concealer in place, I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and also use this palette to contour with the shade Java.
Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the
I use the MAC blush and Peach Fizz, and then I blend everything with a big brush.
And shouldn't find a home, but if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. If you want it, and you shouldn't find a home, but if you wanna travel.
For the eyeshadow, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and I use the shade State, and I smooth that in my crease. Then, using a small crease brush, I place the shade Coastline a little bit below Estate. I put Monte Carlo all over my lid and blend the edges out with a fluffy brush. I dip into Inheritance and use that for my inner corner highlight. This shade is a super shimmer yellow gold.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.
I did my brows off camera with the Urban Decay Brow Blade, my newfound favorite brow product. These are my new favorite highlighters from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the shades Snowflake and So Hollywood. I first applied So Hollywood and then I drenched my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Mist, and that way my face can be damp for Snowflake.
It's Starfire.
I then sweep all the shades that I used on my eyelid onto my lower lash line.
It's
soft, smooth wispies. Lastly, for my lips, I dab on Japanese Star Red Rum, and then on the top, I add mixed butter gloss and creme brulee.
On this journey we will find our souls begin.
And that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.